U.S. clears 32 AIM-120C-8 advanced medium-range air-to-air missiles sale to Japan for possible use on F-35 with support for an estimated cost of $63 million. Also included in the package are containers, support equipment, spare and repair parts, U.S. government and contractor engineering, technical and logistical support services, and other related elements of logistical and program support. The AIM-120C-8 AMRAAM is an advanced medium-range new generation all-weather day and night air-to-air missile system manufactured by Raytheon. Designed with a 7-inch diameter form and fit factor, and employing active transmit-receive radar guidance instead of semi-active receive-only radar guidance, it has the advantage of being a fire-and-forget weapon when compared to the previous generation Sparrow missiles.